Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Merry Christmas, and let's get right to it to our update and live streaming for today. Remember, guys, before we go further, our content here only for educational purposes only. Welcome, Lizzie. How are you doing? How are you doing, brother? Let's get right to it, everybody, and let us wait everybody to tune in. I think many trader are not trading today because maybe taking time off. Let me know, guys, if you taking time off or you're ready to trade. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, everybody. Let's see if Santa came early today to give us some present. Let's go. So yes, Santa came early for us to give us some present for today. First present was for NWG, the best trade for today that we discussed it early on our Discord, as you can see here. NWG. NWG was great. Reverse and broke the 55 and went toward the 61 as we discussed early for a better entry for this one. This one is not available on our broker in Europe, but we did it for our traders in United States because yeah, we said this is number one and this is the best trade for today. And now it's pulling back after hitting our profit taking pre-market. The second one is ELOG, breaking out from the resistance, guys, around the 274. This is the second best trade for today. I'm gonna update the support around the 230. We have a profit taking right now. We might hit around $3.69 for this one. We have a huge buyer for it. So we got $3.60 and $4 we might hit for yeah, before the market open. We expect almost 30% if we have everything good. But so far so good. ELOG. INDB on the other hand, it need to break the $3.14 to squeeze up. But yeah, NWG and ELOG are the number one stocks for today. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So who's ready to have Christmas party? Good morning, Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I think many traders taking time off for today because the market will close early, guys. Hopefully, we're gonna have a green day for the whole market. It's backed a bit of green, guys. Expect a bit of green for the market before the close for today. Market will close early, pretty early for today. Around I think 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. Is yeah, Eastern time. Richard, thank you, man. Thank you. Wish you happy holiday as well. Good morning. Beyond Meat got hit hard again yesterday. Yeah, some point it was shorted 8 million. Yeah, that's why it's still going down. INDB, INDB, it is on our list, but it's not that strong. ELOGR, it is really good right now, 100%, and the MWG 110%. Those the top stocks for today, guys. The top two stocks for today. We got RBNE hitting the scan. RBNE. Oh man, I think we might have a strong day today, guys. Before the close. RBNE. RBNE. What the? Why? Why I can't have RBNE here? Maybe it's just Robin Energy. Let's double check here. Robin Energy, I think it's reverse split maybe, because yeah, yesterday 400%, but now it's just down. I don't understand. But yeah, the main two are ELOG and MWG. As a reminder, if you just came right now, guys, Merry Christmas to you and to your family. And the second thing, Santa came early today and give us some present. Hopefully you catch or you cut this one. And Santa came to our Discord and give us this one. As you can see here, the price was around the 49. Price hit the 54, 61, then pulled back a little bit. Right now it is around 56. Yeah, so technically we hit the 64 and we said the 61. It was really great trade. This update, we did it on our Discord, on our pre-market watch list. Every day we do a watch list, guys, every day to discuss the market before they open, because usually the best entry is in the pre-market or almost 2 hours before the market open. Now the MWG have another buyer. We might break the 64 before the market open. This will be a huge, because we're gonna have another jump. Right now 137, 137, and this one is 100 ELOG. So those the top stocks for today. Hopefully we get some action later on. The other stock that I'm watching is AVGO, started to reverse up. We'll see if we hold today over here, because this one have earnings before and now started to reverse from the bottom. If we held kind of here over the 338 will be great for a reversal up. I'm watching again as well for Palantir, guys. We might have a huge day for Palantir, so watch out. There's a big buyer for Palantir back in Monday here, and I think we might test this level around the 200. So we might end the Christmas early today with the 200 jump. So I expect 201 at least for Palantir, guys. So watch out for a huge test around the 200. And if we have a huge day or a huge buy, we might have the 211 and beyond for Palantir. So keep your eyes on Palantir, because the buyer actually entered on the 18th of December, and they might load up again today before the market close toward over the 200 for Palantir. So Palantir looking really strong. And of course, we might, before end of this year, we might go to all-time high over I think the 220. But yeah, the 200 is the psychological level that we have to break again for today. The only stock that ended up in green yesterday was Palantir, guys, 0.08. Even though it's little, but this is a strong indicator that Palantir, it is one of the stock that the whale buying right now. B, the same, have a huge reversal, watching for a jump over the 96. APLD, huge dip yesterday. Might be good to watch APLD as well. As long as we hold the 25 for today, it might go again and squeeze up. Yeah, hopefully today we're gonna have a huge green day, guys, because yesterday we have a little red, but today we expect a bit of green or a huge green before the end, before the close for the market. So MWG, guys, one of the top stocks for today, and ELOG as well. Those are the only two unicorn from my opinion. Open is neutral. Beyond Meat 6% yesterday, and testing the 95 yesterday, and reverse tier Y reverse. End up in green yesterday. DJT, we have a reversal as well, huge buyer. Rocket Lab, huge buyer right now for Rocket Lab, nearly over the 80. Lunar, the same, huge reversal. So Rocket Lab and Lunar looking kind of strong, guys. So I might put them on the main list as well. Dharma, I don't like this one, just came today. Tribe, this one might be good later. NCL, I don't like it. XTKG. This one reversed early on in the pre-market. Now it's pulling back. I will watch this one for today if it broke the current level of resistance here around the 23. And if it held over the 17, it would be great. PCLA, nothing much here. It's still pulling back. So yeah, I'm gonna take Rocket Lab and Lunar, put them on the main list. And INDB, yes, is still on our main list because currently hold over the $2.78. Welcome everybody. Welcome, 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 wherever you are. Merry Christmas to everybody. Let us end the trading session for this week with a bang. Tomorrow the market will be closed. Today the market will close early, just as a reminder. And today we hunted MWG on our Discord, guys. If you don't know, we always do our early update and hunt on our Discord. As you see here, this one was better entry around the 50 cent or 49 cent, and we hit the 60 before even the market opened. It was great play on our Discord. I will leave our community on Discord and Patreon, the link comment section below. Let me just add it right now before I forget. What the? Welcome, welcome everybody. Anyway, so as we said, we always do our pre-market update daily, every day. So the link in the live chat section, guys, because we always do our update before the market open. Today, as we said, the NWG was the best candidate for the hunt, was on our watch list because we saw opportunity for breakout from the 54 and we hit the 61. Now we're waiting for another breakout for it with the 76 this time because we got a nice reversal from the white line. Good morning and Merry Christmas, everybody. Good morning and Merry Christmas. And the market, as we said, the market will be closing pretty early for today because of Christmas tomorrow. The market will be closing. And the Friday, yes, the market will be open. NVO is gonna fly. We'll see. NVO. Let's see. Just 1%, 2%, 7% yesterday. 51. Why is gonna fly, man? It's not a unicorn. I think have news, yeah, yesterday. We'll see. Yeah, Rocket Lab and Lunar have the same kind of trend, guys. Both of them reversed perfectly yesterday, and now they are near a breakout zone, especially Lunar. Especially Lunar, as you can see here, we have a huge reversal yesterday at the market open. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Can you please take a look at DJT? Yes, DJT have some action yesterday. Yeah, DJT have some action yesterday. Hopefully we see some action today as well. DJT, I think I put it on the other list. Yeah, started to reverse a little bit. Need to break a critical zone, yeah, around the 1517. Now it got near a nice bottom around 1350. So yeah, it need to break the 1517 to go at least around the 1596 or almost around the $16. So yeah, the big seller is still there, man. Around the 15 something. Yeah, 5020. Have to break this level. So it's not on our main list for today. Today we put the things that look interesting. NVO is not a unicorn, but is a swing. Yesterday, I think we got some news in the pre-market on Monday. Yeah, we jumped 11%. So it might jump again. So I'm gonna keep it here. But yeah, MWG. Christmas came early, everybody. MWG. Where's everybody? I think everybody having or sleeping. I think nobody trading today because the market is trading halfway. So maybe we might have a bit of volatility at the market open, then the market will die. We'll see at the market open if we got some action. But yeah, I feel like a lot of you not trading today. George, how you doing, man? George, how you doing? We have 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes left at the market open. As we said, the only Christmas present we need is green market. 5 minutes at the market open. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way in. We always go live every day. Not tomorrow. Sorry, guys, I can't go live tomorrow because the market will be closed. But we could go live tomorrow and trade the crypto, but it's time to be thankful and have a bit of time off is good sometimes. George, good man, good. But you have to be extremely careful because sometimes you be patient and you wait for the stock to go to the support and never will. And you miss kind of a bull run, like what happened for Palantir before. Everybody waiting for the dip, it never happened. The price never go down. But yeah, you need to be patient and strategic because if you're waiting for a huge dip, it might not happen because you need the black swan event for this dip to happen. And it's not every year. Sometimes you have to wait 10 or 5 years for that. So you have to be strategic about this. Wait, but at the same time, not waiting for a huge dip because sometimes it never happen. As the market maker call it, the price value for any stock. So, for example, if you want to buy Apple at $1, good luck. Good luck for that. So you have to be a bit wise about which dip you want to buy. So it's not like $1. It's never. It's kind of crazy, even if there's World War III. Okay, guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way in. As we said, we got a nice day for today. NWG, it was the best trade for today. We discussed this play early on our Discord. NWG, as you can see here, the price was around the 49 once we discussed this chart. Hit our profit taking around the 54.61 and pull back, of course. Now we have another try to break the 64 at the market open. If we did, we might have another squeeze toward almost the 75. Yeah, 75, let's say. So NWG number one, 125%, top gainer. Second one, ELOG, the second Christmas present for today. Have a huge resistance around the $3.07. INDB, it might be a maybe if it broke the $3.14. So let me know, guys, if INDB broke the $3.14, let me know so I could watch it because it might squeeze up. Rocket Lab, Lunar, both of them reversed yesterday and ready to rumble, especially Lunar because it broke a huge resistance right now and it's going to all, I think he still, yeah, still didn't break, but yeah, 1690. It looked really phenomenal, Lunar. So the market's about to open in any second. So hit the like, guys. Don't forget. And Merry Christmas to everybody who watching the stream for the first time. Merry Christmas and let us have a green day for today. Let's go. Let's go. Lunar jumping like no tomorrow. Let's see if we're gonna have a huge green day for Lunar. $17 right now. We got NWG trying as well for another rumble or another squeeze up. NWG trying so hard around the 64, but there is no luck yet. ELWG. Oh, come on, man. I feel like Trading view is kind of, come on, man. Okay, finally. MWG trying, guys, for a breakout here around the 64. ELOG trying as well, but nothing much. INDB trying to go up. Rocket Lab trying. Lunar squeezing up. NVO trying. Let's see. I think we're gonna have a huge green day today, hopefully. ELOG is kind of flushing down, but the best start it was for Lunar because it broke the resistance. Open support SOBR. I will check SOBR. Yeah, 68. Yeah, SOBR looking fantastic here. Yeah, SOBR just came on the list as well. We have a few levels for SOBR to hit for today. Yeah, it's going toward the 2.39 SOBR. We have a huge buyer, guys, for it. It's a huge jump right now because I think we got a breakout. Thank you for the reminder, brother. It looked really good. SOBR, guys. It's going toward the 2.39 SOBR. Lizzie, thank you for the play. SOBR looking fantastic. MWG still weak. LOG pulling back. INDB no good, taken from the list. Rocket Lab is a slow. NVO looking interesting, yes, pumping up here, but it's not a unicorn. Open is still slow. I think it's pulling back toward the 580. Lunar is pulling back as well. We have kind of fake out here. ELOG pulling back as well. SOBR, guys, is the one to watch. Yeah, SOBR is the one to watch for today. INDB, no good. Yeah, SOBR did a really good jump at the market open. MWG, guys, the best entry, as we said, for MWG was in the pre-market on our Discord. As you see here, the breakout was in the pre-market. Now the buyers is kind of getting out for MWG because it's pulling back now. SOBR trying as well toward the 2.39 is the strongest stock from my opinion for today. And Lunar, of course, because Lunar is have a breakout at the market open and holding over the 1635. SOBR getting near a huge seller place around almost the $2.40. Yeah, it look strong, but it's heavily shorted because it's reversed from the $1.30. Okay, let us see the top gainers for today. Top gainers, top gainers. MWG, SOBR, ALOG. Okay, let's see if we got some stock halted. Interesting. Now is testing a major resistance. Yes, SOBR hitting the resistance around the 240, guys. Going up strongly. AFGK, Omar, RBNE, nope, nothing interesting. So yeah, the main one is SOBR, guys. And I think the jump happened right at the market open. Look at that. The squeeze happened at the market open. Guys, SOBR looking fantastic. Wow, SOBR still jumping up. Wow, SOBR is still going up, guys, toward now almost the $3. Yeah, SOBR is strong. MWG is still holding the support, so there's a chance for a reversal. ELOG getting near a support, guys, the $2.26. Lunar have a bit of struggle. And DJT, yes, is jumping a little bit. Yeah, we got a big seller coming in for SOBR, you guys, between the $3.30 and $2.87. So it's back to a short. We're coming in pretty strongly here. Let's see. Yeah, we have a bit of cautious from the market. I think the market maker is taking a bit of time off from the market. Yeah, Lunar is a bit undecided here. So yeah, SOBR is still strong. No strong pullback yet. We have the first pullback in the pre-market, little consolidation, and a confirmation at the market open. This is how we know that the stock is being watched by a huge whale and buying around many dips, 3 dips or 2 dips. 20 million, not bad. NWG is 138 million, but it lose a bit of momentum here because all the action happened in the early in pre-markets. You see, this stock was early riser. This one just came 1 hour before the market opened. That's why we got still stamina and strong action from SOBR. What kind of news we got for this one? Yeah, with SOBR report third quarter result. Yeah, report were really good. INDB is second. INDB looking great here because it reversed perfectly from the 277 and now trying to go toward the 3.39. So yeah, INDB looking promising if it broke the 3.14. I think I'm gonna bring INDB to the list. ELOG is not good. INDB. I'm gonna keep it on the main list because it reversed and is preparing for a breakout from the 3.14. MWG the same, keeping it on the list. The main reason because it's still holding over the white line. The white line, if you don't know, guys, it is the current support. And as you see here, INDB, we already discussed it early on in the pre-market. We said the 3.50 is the resistance. We didn't break it. That's why we pulled back toward the support, I think, around 277. Okay, we have a little pullback now for SOBR around the 260. Yeah, we hit a major resistance around the 251 for SOBR. If we want to continue toward almost the $3, we should break this level. Otherwise, we might have a pullback toward the 193. We have a strong seller right now, as we said, 250. Huge seller for SOBR. MWG, the same, trying to reverse now. Really great reversal for MWG, respecting the level. No deviation from our levels so far. Let us check again the stock had been halted. Oh, XHX came back. This is one of the stock that jumped yesterday. Today, yes, it jumped. Now it's halted down. Yeah, we got a little bit of pullback. A little bit of pullback for the market, everybody. However, MWG started to bounce back. MWG, one of the top gainer that we discussed early on our Discord, is pulling back up. This one might be really great to watch because it's the top volume gainer, I think, for today. Let us double check if it's the top volume gainer. Almost 140 million. Let's see. MWG, yes, 164 million. Yeah, George, this is really strange request for the support. Yeah, the support even for the SPY is a bit far, man. So the Russell 2000 followed the same as the SPY. So the SPY is a bit far as well. Which kind of strong if you think about it for the market. So if you're waiting for a dip, it's still a bit far. Lunar, I took it from the list because it pushed back up, then pulled back down a lot. I don't like the reaction. Yes. Now it's testing the support around 1635. So it is unpredictable, like yesterday. It's kind of barcoding, then a huge buyer came in, then pulled back. But in the big picture, if you see it, it's still good over the 1635. It's not completely bad. CGC is getting hammered on light volume after the latest news. As a reminder, guys, if you don't know, the market will close early today, pretty early. Usually close around 10 p.m. here. but today I think it will close around 7. And yeah, tomorrow there is no live streaming because the market will be closed. Coming back on Friday. So this week we have time off for tomorrow, and next week the same will be on I think it's Thursday. So 2 Thursday this time. Thursday for Christmas and Thursday for the New Year. Back to back, 2 Thursdays. And I think the New Year's Eve, the market will close early as well. I don't know if the market will close early on New Year's Eve or normal hours. Let me just double check here. If it's normal hours or not. Let's see. Okay, today, just 3 hours from now. So 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, yes. Around 7 or 1 p.m. or 1 p.m. Central European time or Eastern time, yes. So yeah, the market closed early today. Yes, here, Christmas, and close tomorrow. I think, yes, normal hours on Wednesday. The market will not be closed on Wednesday. Yeah, just on Thursday for the New Year Eve or the New Year, yes. The normal hours, guys, normal hours. SLBR is trying to break out. We got a nice test for the $2.60 squeeze zone. Current support now, I will change it toward the 215. SLBR looking good for a breakout again. SLBR is the only one that looking strong for today. Surprisingly strong. Welcome, welcome everybody. Merry Christmas. As a reminder, as we said, tomorrow the market will be closed. Today, half closed or closing early. We've got a few stocks for today. The strongest one is SOBR with 50 million worth of volume. Might go toward the 280 in a bit after break the 260. And MWG, best entry was on our Discord early on, once the price was almost around the 49. Hit 61 and never recovered after that. You see, even now, once the market opened, hit the 61, not the 64. Exactly 61, as we discussed early on our Discord, guys. 61, we said 61.71. The link comes section below, guys, if you want to have a better entry for those stocks, because usually the best entry in a pre-market. SOBR was a different story because the news just came late. Yeah, it came a bit late for SOBR. That's why still jumping now. Still have the catalyst. Yeah, about the third quarter report. Double top around the 260. 260 for SOBR. How everybody doing? I think we see a bit of volatility drain from the market at the end of the year, especially today in the Christmas. Many whale not trading the markets, but SOBR was special case. This is normal, guys. This is normal that we have a bit of weak market, less volatility. SOBR maybe changed this because, as we said, the news hit the market just 1 hour before the market opened. So this is might be the exception for SOBR for today. The only one that starts squeeze, as you see here, huge, humongous buyer came in here with this volume almost a quarter million with this 1 minute candle. Quarter million, guys, and still picking up. Now almost half a million. Crazy volume on this candle. The only candle that have this huge volume. We didn't have this ever, even in pre-market. Yeah, half a million. Look at that. Half a million, guys, for this one. This is madness. Yeah, yeah. This breakout confirmed almost half a million worth of volume for this candle alone. Show us that we have a big buyer. And the price almost hit the $2.87, which is our first target, or the second target, because the first target was around 260. Huge, man, huge jump. It was in milliseconds. Let's see if we retest the $2.83. We might have the three if we did that. George, you are welcome. No problem. And Merry Christmas to you and your family. See you back by Friday, of course. George, I'm not going anywhere, man. And Merry Christmas to you as well. Yeah, so yeah, we have to call it for today, guys, because a lot of you want to spend the time, the valuable time with your family. So Merry Christmas to everybody. And see you all back by Friday, of course, because we're gonna trade the market together to end the trading session for this week. So as we said, always let the price come to you and never run after the price. And Merry Christmas and wish everybody to have a great evening and enjoying the Christmas, of course. And see you all back on Friday.